We've never mentioned it before, but with this one piece of software, you can make $600. This app will pay you $600 and is available on both iOS and Android, and it's free to download. In this video, I'll show you 3 apps that can help you make money, and the first 2 apps don't have anything to do with the third one. The first 2 apps will just pay you to install them, so now you know how to make the most money with those 3 apps. The first 2 apps will help you make passive income because, as I said, they don't have anything to do with the third one. Before we go any further, welcome to 𝗦𝗵𝗿𝗲 101, where we will teach you the latest ways to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Before you can go to the website, you need to have your own PayPal account, so go to paypal.com and sign up for a free account. Fill out the form and log into your own PayPal account. If you don't want to use that choice, you can open your own bank account online by searching for online bank account in my country on Google and signing up for a free account on the online banking website. With that out of the way, I'll get straight to the point, but before I show you the app that will actually pay you $600 for nothing, I want to show you 2 more apps. In total, I'm going to show you 3 different apps in this video, but first I want to show you a few apps that will pay you money. You don't have to do anything to make money with these 2 apps. All you have to do is install them and leave them alone. Then I'll show you how to make over $600 for free using the last app. The first website we're going to use is 𝗦𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗏.com. This is their official website, but we'll just install the app straight on a smartphone. This works because it's a free app that lets you send text messages and allows you to make money online automatically by getting text messages from the system and people. All you have to do is download it to your smartphone. Since you don't have to do anything, all you have to do to get the text is download this app. They'll give you new text messages every day, and as I said, you'll get paid for each one. You can come over here and read more about how it works, but keep an eye on the next website because this one is only for Android. They'll work on both iOS and Android, but this one only works on Android. So if you don't have an Android device, you won't be able to make any money with the 𝗦𝗵𝗿𝗲 app. Their app is exclusive to Android because only Android lets you read 𝗬𝗵𝗿𝗲 texts. All you have to do is install it and get paid by their money, 𝗬𝗵𝗿𝗲 app. This is how secure their app is. It doesn't read any of your data, including private messages, and it only reads their own 𝗬𝗵𝗿𝗲, so they can't steal or read your messages. I've done a lot of study on this app, and a lot of people are really happy with how much money they're making with it. They're really happy with how the system works because, as you can see, you can make money with the app without doing anything, and they also have a really nice lifestyle. There is a referral program where you can get 30% of your referral's earnings. For example, if you tell a friend about this app and they sign up, once they start making money for $100, you'll get $30 for free. There are many ways to make money work for you without you having to do anything. This 𝗬𝗵𝗿𝗲 app is free and will always be free. You can read more about how it works, but basically you sign up for automatic text messages. Here are some pictures of how the desktop and app look. I'm going to install the app, and this is what it'll look like when I do. This is your invitation code, which you can share with friends and family or post on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You can put it on Facebook groups telling them that they can make passive income from the app and then giving them your referral links so that you can continue to make passive income from your referrals. As you can see, this app has a lot of potential, and there are plenty of things to like. Is this a fake or the real deal? If you're not sure if they pay their users, you can check the proof of payment for many users right here on an independent website. They do everything they can to make sure they follow the law. You can learn more about the latest GDPR privacy policy regulations on this website, and you can see that people are making money from it. I've done a lot of research, and this website for sure works. Before we go any further, I'll give you a chance to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you like the video so far. If you found it interesting and helpful, please leave a comment below as we'd love to hear from you. It's time to go back to work and make some money. CashMagnet.com is a free way to make money while you sleep. The name of the app is just Cash Magnet, and you put it on your Android phone. This only works for Android, but keep an eye out for the last app, which will work on both iOS and Android. As you can see, you don't have to do much because Cash Magnet does everything for you. It combines all the top prize programs you want to play, so this one will pay you a lot more than the money 𝗬𝗵𝗿𝗲 app. You don't have to do anything but play games or watch advertisements. You can make money while you sleep or do something else. You could be eating lunch, drinking outside, reading the news, or doing anything else you do every day and still get paid for installing this app. After a few months of working the Cash Magnet and leaving your phone out, you can expect to make several times more money and be able to buy a new phone that works for you around the clock. This is how tens of thousands of their happy customers do it, so you can too. Almost like getting a new phone 2 months after you've used it, it's completely safe, and they promise that your data and personal preferences won't be used in any way to make money from your phone while you do nothing. It's a totally passive way to make money, and 𝗙𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗏 has more information about how it operates, and the app is totally free. This Android app lets you make extra money when you're not using your phone. You can leave it out in public with the app loaded, and you'll start making money. If you don't want to put this on your personal phone for whatever reason, you might be able to use another device. For example, you could put it on an old phone that you don't use much. Just put the program on the old phone and it will make passive income. They'll make money for you if you leave the phone out so you don't have to use it at all. And if you put it on as many devices as you have at home, you can make even more money. Now the last app we'll be using is a diamond in the rough. This one will pay you $600 and let you make up to $600 a year just by listening to music. All you have to do is download this app on either iOS or Android. It's in both the App Store and the Google Play Store, so no one can say it only works for iOS or only works for Android, because this one works for both and you'll get paid for just listening to music. Put the app in place and listen to music to get more points, and the more you play and listen to music, the more money you'll make. Basically, you're getting paid to listen to music in your spare time, so you can choose from over 100,000 radio stations. You can get paid to listen to music you like, so you don't have to listen to random music on SoundCloud that you don't even like. If you listen to music every day, you can now get paid for it. You can earn points by listening to your favorite music and spend those points on your favorite brands and more. As you can see, this app is available in many countries and can be downloaded to your cellular device. As I said before, this app is available in both the Google Play Store and the App Store, so you can start making money right away. The name of the app is 𝗙𝗲𝗏𝗁, and this is the name of the website, and the image should look like this. Just look up the current app in your Apple Store or Google Play Store to learn more about it. And that's it. If you're interested in learning more about ways to make easy money, make sure to subscribe, as I'll be giving you all the secret sauce. Make sure to click the like button down below and leave a comment. See you all next time, and as always, let's go get this bread.